another beach day. We're running a little bit late, but that's okay. Yeah, come with us to the beach again. So for this trip to the beach, unlike last time, we'll be taking the ferry. The ferry is another great way to get around in Hong Kong, so that's where we're off to now. So for today's beach day, we'll be going to Lam Tau Island, which is the orange island on the left. This is the pier in Central, so this is where you can catch all of the ferries on Hong Kong Island. The views of Hong Kong from the ferry are absolutely stunning, so I really wanted to show you a little bit of what it's like. So here's a bunch of really cool videos of just the Hong Kong skyline from the ferry. And the ferry actually doesn't take that long. They have a speed ferry, a fast one, and a slow one. And I think the fast one takes maybe 30 minutes and the slower one is around 45 or 50 minutes. So not too long. And again, very scenic. Like, it's very beautiful the entire way. One thing I really like about Lower Shengsha Beach is that there's a lot of shade. So not only can you have wonderful beach barbecues, but you can also, sit under an umbrella, relax under a tree. So it's a really beautiful beach. You can see this day, it was literally the most perfect day to go to the beach. And here's our food. So we had a salad and a bunch of different kinds of meats. It was really great and barbecued right on the beach for us. And we got to eat on the sand as well. It was really nice. Another beautiful beach day, guys. So this is where the restaurants are over here. Where are you, please? Yeah. So you can see there's a lot of people surfing down here. Mr. Olivia and our friends are back there playing soccer, but I don't really want to play soccer, so I'm gonna go on a nice little walk and show you guys the beach. The lifeguards are very serious here, which is good. Safety first. How beautiful is this? And now we're back to the Hong Kong pier. So you can see now it's nighttime. By the time we got back, it was obviously super late, but you can see a little bit of, the lights in the skyline in the background as we just wait at the taxi stand. I hope you enjoyed following me around for the day and just seeing what it's like to have a beach barbecue in Hong Kong. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos and just keep up with me and all of my adventures abroad. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!